Sarawak is home to multiracial people, beautiful culture, and rich with diversity of nature. And I'm so grateful that the place I call home has so many hidden nature and yet to be explored. And here are the hidden gems of Sarawak. Bengoh Dam is our very own man-made treasure, with its pristine natural beauty and majestic cascading waterfalls. This treasure trove offers a quick getaway for a breath of fresh air from the hustle of city life. While hiking along the trail, one will be mesmerized by some of the breathtaking curtain waterfall before reaching the furthest Susung Waterfall, or known as Jurassic World of Sarawak. After exploring Bengoh Range by boat ride across the lake, you will reach Kampung Sting viewpoint to enjoy the sightseeing of Bengoh Lake. In the same area of Padawan, Sarawak, there's a place called Jangoi Village. It offers a lot of activities with friends and family. You can experience kayaking adventure, swimming, and much more. It is surely the best experience to have in your lifetime. Located at Bahu, Sarawak, this charming retreat set amidst the lush jungle setting of Mount Serumbu. It offers the perfect getaway for relaxation here in Serumbu Eco Park. People usually ask me, why am I always in the mountain, the waterfalls, and the cave? To be honest, I don't think I have answer for that. Here at Fairy Cave Bahu, Sarawak, it makes me feel small, and it is what makes me feel alive. Set in the mountain and far from the city, somewhere in Simunjan, Sarawak, there's a place that makes all my worries and my problems to fade away, and they call it Telanjing Waterfall. At the foothill of Mount Santubong, enjoying the silence of the nature, getting tired, exhausted, getting comfortable. All these memories you create when you're trying to get somewhere. And these are the memories that you will never forget for the rest of your life. This rural wonder have given you more reason to explore Sarawak, country with wonderful hidden gems, and of course, more places to discover.